In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. We'll walk through setting up a ready-made framework so you can start logging hours and pulling clean reports without building everything from scratch. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to your task list inside the work section of your workspace in List View. This gives you a clear, structured layout to see tasks, fields, and soon your time entries. Once you're on that page, click Work in the left navigation to make sure you're in the right area where templates and views are easy to access. Next, click the highlighted option you see on your screen. This opens the controls we need to customize the list. Then click the next highlighted control. These two clicks are simply guiding us into the area where we can add pre-built configurations, so don't worry if they're labeled slightly differently in your account. Look for the interface element that opens customization or templates. Now choose Browse Templates. Templates in ClickUp save a ton of time because they bundle tasks, views, fields, and suggested configurations. For time tracking and reporting, a template ensures that tracking is enabled and the right views are ready for you to visualize hours by person, task, or date. In the template browser, click the highlighted filter or category to narrow down your options to productivity or time-focused templates. Then click the next highlighted option to open the template we want to use. Watch for labels related to time tracking, reporting, consulting, or services. Those are typically designed for billable and non-billable time needs. Select Consultant Time Tracking. This template is designed to capture hours consistently and display them in useful views, which is great whether you're managing client work or internal projects. You'll usually get a combination of task layouts and time-oriented views that make weekly and monthly roll-ups straightforward. Click Use Template to start the import process. You'll see a preview and some options. This is where you can confirm the list location and what pieces you want to include. When you're ready, click Use Template again to finalize and create everything in your workspace. Once it's applied, you'll have a list that's ready for time tracking. You can start the timer on tasks, add manual time entries if you forgot to start the clock, and open the provided views to review totals by assignee or date. If you don't see the time tracking controls, make sure tracking is enabled at the space or list level. And if your team needs standardized labels like billable versus non-billable, you can keep the defaults from the template or adjust them later in list settings. That's it. Your workspace now has a consistent, reusable setup for logging time and generating reports with minimal effort.